Hello, fellow diamond painters. DP Crazy Lady back, part two. It's now 12:15 p.m. and it's still the 24th. It's still, April. It's still 2024. Uh, you know, Still Wednesday. So the new company, they contacted me and wanted me to show their products. I picked a few and I really like what I got here. So let's check it out. The name of the company is VIP Cross Stitch. And yes, cross stitch. It's stuck. Okay, the first thing I picked out, and it's larger than I thought. It's a pair of really beautiful scissors. It's a lot bigger than I thought they were. Let's check these out. Oh, oops! It's got a tip. Let's see. Oh, those feel sharp. Those are really nice. Those are a lot nicer than I thought. Oh, because I wanted the rose color, and these are really nice. Nice scissors. I know you shouldn't cut any paper with them like that, but let me see. I don't have, let me see. Oh yeah, it cuts real good. And I use scissors a lot for my cross stitch or for other pieces of material and everything. So these are really nice. And like I said, these are a lot bigger than what I thought they were going to be. I thought they would be more, here's something I've had for a long time. And then I have my other ones, my stork scissors that I've had for years. But this is nice. I like these. They have their little owls down here, I believe. Some kind of birds. Look like owls at first, but that is really nice. Those are really nice. So, oh boy, now this looks gorgeous, and the piece of material is, okay everybody, can you see her? It's a Victorian lady, well, what I call like Victorian. Oh, this is, and it's nice picture. Oh, they put in a nice photo. Nice picture. This is a 14 count. The chart, I think, is going to be a little small for me, but I think I should be able, oh yeah, I should be able to follow this one. It's a little small. I may get it blown up. I may do that. Because it is just a little small for my poor eyes. Good paper. I mean, it's not just a thin piece of paper. It's like almost laminated, I think, or something. And then they have the, of course, your instructions. And you can read it all. And here's the piece of material. Oh, what beautiful colors. Whoops. Oh, what the heck? What are these? I never seen these. Oh, these are pens. What the heck? I guess I'm going to have to look at the instructions and figure out what that is. It's not something you'd want to mark your material with, I don't think. Oh my gosh, these colors. Oh, these colors are beautiful. Look at the purples and the pinks. Oh, these are gorgeous colors. I think I would like to do this one. Oh yeah. BP cross stitch. This is gorgeous. Yes, this is gorgeous. That is a nice piece of material too. Nice piece of material. And they have the now see, their needles are very, very thin. I can't use those. To me, these are more along the lines of beading needles. That's what they remind me of. But I have my own needles, so that's fine with me. Yeah. But why are those pens there? That's what I want to see. Would they begin with the first stitch in the center? There's nothing on here about those. I don't know what those are for. I can't. I don't want to get too near, and these, they got ink in them. I don't know. I've not seen that before. If anybody else has seen it, they can let me know. Because that I am confused about, unless they got put in there by accident. But that is gorgeous. She is beautiful. Oh yeah. Yeah. That is really pretty. So, yeah. That is pretty. Really, really pretty. Whoops, I'm stuck. Okay. I love the floss. The floss is gorgeous. Okay, and the next one, and I really like this one, and I think this is a stamped, yeah, it's pre-printed fabric. I like this. I don't have anything over by my little coffee station. And I thought this would be perfect for me to cross stitch and put it right next to my coffee station. So let's see how this looks. Not a lot of floss because you don't need a lot. Oh, nice needles. Nice little gold plated needles, which I have a lot of these. They're really good needles. And here it is. It's not real large. Like I said, it's stamped. I'm going to have to work with that. I've not worked with a stamped one yet. It can't be too awful hard. What's nice though is the chart. Oh, that's not nice, thick. Oh my goodness. It almost feels rubbery. That is nice paper. You want to make sure it holds up. I'll tell you. Definitely. And the instructions are inside. What's nice about this too is being that that's printed, I can use this and do another pattern. I can do a whole nother one because all I do is find my center and start on another piece of material. So this is nice. like I said, you know, it can't be too awful hard to follow. I mean, it's colored in. I'm just not used to a printed, you know, stamped, but I can do it. That is a really nice. So, and the floss is nice. It's soft, real soft. All your DMC colors. Yep, all your DMC colors, and I recognize the colors. So, okay. And we have the scissors. This is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Like I said, I'm a little confused on these little things here. I mean, I assure you they don't want me drawing on the material. So, have no clue why that, you know, why it's here. So, my confusion, but I love this, and this is beautiful, beautiful floss. The colors, I love these. These are nice. So, hopefully you all saw this. I'm hoping it's recording as well as it should. I don't know. It's, you know me. But that is really pretty. And I have some ladies that I've cross-stitched like this for my own personal stash. And this is just beautiful. So, well, that is from VIP Cross Stitch. I will have it in the description below if there's anyone who's interested in this company is new to me, and if you're interested in at least looking over theirs, I'm sure you know you won't be disappointed if you're into cross stitch, because so far this, you know, this is gorgeous. So I hope you all have a good day. I'm going to get off here. Oh, the pressure behind my eyes is still sort of there. But, alright, I am going to get off here and get these both uploaded. And I hope you all have a good day. I don't know when I'll be back on. I want to finish the oh gosh, can't even think. Finish my Diamond Art Sierra River Fall. I only have a little bit left to do, and I've been putting it off because I haven't been able to. But I come back on maybe tomorrow or Friday, and I will give you a complete rundown of it. I'm thinking that as soon as I have the time after the weekend's over, I want to start one of the make markets, the Grand Canyon. So I will be doing that. That shouldn't take too long to do. It's around. So I want to see what their product is like. So y'all have a good one. I will get back with you, you know, in the next day or two. So I hope you all are having a good Wednesday. Oh, and now I've lost everything. I can't find half of my stuff. I hope you're all having a good day. like I said, middle of the week. I'm not thinking straight, but I want to show all this to you. So have a good one. Hugs. DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.